Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how to get started in cybersecurity for free. I mean absolutely free. So let's dive in. Let's go there, man. So you're going to come to this website called netacad.com. The link is going to be in the description. So this is a site that offers a lot of free courses, and most of their courses are Cisco courses. That's to show you that they are really authentic. So you're gonna come to courses, click on cybersecurity, let it load, you scroll down, and you're gonna see a lot of cybersecurity courses in here. So like in life, you don't jump classes. You can move from grade 5 to grade 10. You just have to follow the process. So when it comes to cybersecurity, there are fundamentals you need to learn, and there are specific courses for that. So in this course, I'm going to be showing you the first course that will get you started, and I'm going to do a part 2, part 3, and part 4 of this video that will guide you through. So the course you need at the moment is this course titled Introduction to Cybersecurity. So go and click on it and let it load. Voila, it's loaded. So you come over to this page and you can see we have over 5 million people who have taken this course already. So you want to go ahead. Okay, before that, let me just show you. Can you see the level of this course for beginners? So that means if you don't know anything about tech, you don't know anything about IT, you can just start. And you can see over here there are no prerequisites. So let's go ahead and sign up. So I click on sign up. I'm selecting English because that's the language I use. You can select any other language. So I'm clicking on English and it's going to pop up this window. So I'm not going to read through all this. I'm just going to show you what to do immediately. When it pops up this window, all you have to do is click on this skill for all, because that's the platform where the course is being hosted. So we're gonna wait for it to load right now. So boom, I think it's loaded. So you can see it, Introduction to Cybersecurity. This course is a part of this career path, blah 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 blah. We're just gonna click on get started. And once we click on get started, it's going to prompt us to log in. So for you, I'm gonna advise that you sign up, because I already signed up before now. So I'm going to put in my email. I'm going to click login, and then I'm going to add my password. I'm going to click login, and boom, I'm in, man. Why is it taking so long? Okay. Yeah, you can see I'm going to click resume course. And that's it. So this is the whole course. One exciting thing about this course is that it offers you badges that you can place on your LinkedIn, right? So after completing the course, there's a certificate and there's a badge you can place on LinkedIn. All right, so I would advise you go through the course to the end, take the exam, and then place your badge on LinkedIn after passing. So I think this is the end. I'm going to do a part 2 of this video, but I want you guys to support me. Please share this video, like, and subscribe. See you guys next time.